Hi, I'm Marcel, I'm from Australia.
Hey, I'm Vendula and I'm from Czech Republic.
And this is our Toyota Hiace Commuter campervan. The van's a 1994 Toyota Hiace Commuter.
And it's been our home on wheels for the last 5 months. We bought an old mobility van and converted it into our wooden cabin on wheels. Let us take you for a tour.
Welcome to our kitchen, the first thing you come into when you enter our van. We've got all our cups and all our daily utensils and things we use up on here, our condiments and our spice rack, so everything we need is in easy reach. We've got our wine glass holder, so that's held in there with some foam, keeps them nice and tight when we drive. Our sink came out of a double household sink that we picked up from a recycling store. We designed the sink next to the window so we could do the dishes in and outside the car. We've got a 2-burner gas stove that runs off our bottle that sits under here. Our splashback and wind deflector is just attached to the back and folds out so we can cook outside and our flame doesn't blow out. We designed the stove on the outside because I'm pretty tall, so we could cook outside and inside. We also have a 60 litre 12 volt compressor fridge that keeps all our stuff nice and cool. One of the handiest features we have is this little fold-away table. It's great for me when I'm standing up cooking outside. I've got a workbench and a place to hold all my stuff on. So down here under the stove is where we keep all our food and cooking utensils and everything. We've got our plates, bowl. Down here we've got our dry fruit storage, fire extinguisher and brush. In this cupboard we've got more food storage. On the back of the door we've got our cutting board, which we can easily just remove. It's a great space saver. In this drawer is where we keep all our cutlery and cooking utensils. It's got a nice little sliding drawer in here that we can move around to access the stuff underneath. This is our laundry and our water storage. Our fresh water, we've got 25 litres and 25 litre grey water. That just goes down into the sink through an S-trap, so it keeps the smell out of the van. To fill it up, we just unplug this and it's just a standard hose connection, so we can just fill it up through any standard hose without having to take the tank out of the car.
Welcome to our dining room, bedroom and lounge, 3-in-1. We cut a queen size mattress into 5 pieces. This allows us to rearrange the pieces as we need into the bed, table or dining room. This is our dining room and office setup. We wanted to have a comfortable sit down when we eat our meals and working on computers. Finally, welcome to our lounge. We have this really cool sliding table that we slide forward and we put laptops and drinks on it when we want to watch a movie, or we just put it back for a nice book and candle. This is how it looks like underneath the mattress. This is all our storage, and every compartment is accessible easily from the top and from the front. This is where we keep our portable chemical toilet. In New Zealand we are required to carry one. It's only for emergencies as we use public toilet mostly.
One of our underbed storages is where our brains of the operation is. We've got our big 120 amp hour deep cycle house battery, our 1500 watt pure sine wave inverter, which runs our laptop chargers and our NutriBullet. We've got our solar charge controller with our 100 watt solar panel on the roof, fuses and our smart battery isolator, which allows us to charge the battery while we drive. Welcome to the cockpit. We've done 20,000 kilometers in the car so far, and she's pretty loud. We put in a false roof above the cockpit so we could have a lot more space above us, which allowed us to put in our clothes storage. This fold down latch allows us to still be able to look out the rear vision mirror when we're driving, but then we don't need an extra curtain.
One of the coolest features of our van is definitely our solar shower. It holds up 30 liters, it heats up pretty fast, especially in summer. It's made out of the stormwater drain pipe and it's really easy to use. So we just use our small car compressor, plug it into this valve, turn on the tap, and then we just plug in the shower. And we can use shower. We even use the shower to wash the van. In winter, or when we don't get enough sun for the solar shower, we use a 12-volt shower and mix boiling water with cold water into a bucket.
So when we first designed the van, we had quite a big table in there, so I ended up chopping it down. We got this little extra piece, so we didn't have to take an extra outdoor table. We basically utilised this piece to make our outside table. So all I've done is made a little folding table stand, which just slots into these little. This is our washing line. It's integrated into our roof rack, so there's a couple of wing nuts just hold it in. Pull these out. You can either have like this and we just wrap around our wetsuits, or we've got a string that we put around. This is our fishing rod tube. Holds 5 fishing rods, and it's basically just a stormwater pipe with a padlock on it. And all I've done is just foam lined it so the fishing rods don't get damaged. One of the necessities for our trip was that we wanted to bring a double kayak, surfboards and dive gear, so we arranged everything on the roof to fit. The vent and solar panel are on one side, leaving space for the toys on the other. Our love for water sports is why we built the van the way we did. The kayak gives us the freedom to get on the water when and where we want, whether it be kayaking with dolphins, paddling out to deeper water to catch crayfish, or just going for an afternoon fish to catch our dinner. Thanks for watching our van tour, guys. If you liked it, hit the like button below, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. We'll be coming up with more videos soon. We're going to build a new van baby, so we'll be coming up with regular videos about the van build.
If you're interested what we're up to, check our Instagram, Salty Van Adventures. The link will be in the description.
If you have any questions about the video, post them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. See you later.
Bye.
That's great.
Our coolest features. Fuck!
What?
One of the coolest features.
Doesn't
of
matter,
our
it
van,
sounds
not our
good.
coolest.